This is your sliding back fist step forward reverse punch. We also call it the run through blitz. First, let's make sure we know what the stance we start in and what punches we're using. If I'm here, this is my side stance. I want to get into my forward stance. Fun, easy way to do it. Put your feet together, make your heels go out, and then point them straight ahead. And then put your knee right where your foot was. I'm on the ball of my foot back here, so when I stand up, it puts me in a really good stance. All right, for the back fist is going to go forward as I hit with the back of my hand across the nose, eyes, side of the head. It's not elbow up first and then hand goes. My hand's going as my elbow comes up. So it's coming across just like that. The second punch is my reverse punch. If I throw it right at the nose, that's my cross, turning my shoulder into it, drive my hips. On the reverse punch, I'm actually changing levels and then striking the solar plexus. So back fist, reverse punch are my two punches. Now, the footwork, it's actually pretty simple. I'm going to start back here. It's like I'm sprinting. If I were to sprint, the first step I take is with my back leg. When I blitz, same thing. Now, I just walk through it. My back leg goes, my front leg goes. Pretty simple. And if I get my heel off the ground, I can use my toes to push me forward a little bit faster. And you'll need that when you do your testing. So as my back fist goes out here in front, my back foot slides up. And then my front foot steps. And I drop in a reverse punch. Watch again. Back foot pushes and takes a step just past my toes with my back fist. This will get confusing. Back fist is with the front hand. It's called a back fist because it's with the back of your hand. Don't forget that. So back fist starts going as my back foot slides up, my front foot takes that step, and I do my reverse punch. We are going to do both sides. So from the opposite side, same thing. Back fist goes, back foot pushes, front foot steps, drop and reverse punch. When we test you guys on this, you're going to start in one stance and you're going to do your blitz. 1, 2, punch. Turn back the other way. Now the opposite side is in front. 1, 2, punch. The footwork is going to get a little goofy. I see all kinds of stuff. The biggest thing I see, problem-wise, is you'll do straight legs. And then you'll start stepping like this and doing like, I don't know, some weird walrus walk, I call it. But that is not correct. My back leg is going to take that first step. I tell you guys all the time in class, this is just like walking. Just walking, taking 2 steps. And then I can turn it into running 2 steps. The other problem is you'll take such a big step with your back leg that now you turn sides. Can't do that. So if you watch from here, see where my foot is. If I get just past it, that's pretty good. Once I start getting way out there, my hip starts turning and so does my shoulder. So I don't want this back shoulder to be in front. My front shoulder right here stays in front when I slide. See, it's still in front. And when I land, I'm still in my fighting stance. Those are the 2 most common problems with your sliding back fist step forward reverse punch, also known as the run through blitz. To help with all the coordination, I like to take it super simple. Take my back fist, push it out there. Take my back foot step, take my front foot step. Then I'll throw my second punch. And I slowly practice this until that doesn't feel weird anymore. And I got to do the other side. Back fist, step, step, reverse punch. I recommend you start like this first. Then I can go back fist and go a little bit faster, reverse punch. Back fist, a little bit faster, reverse punch. Until I can take my back fist and take off at the same time My body needs to load up over my toes to get that spring forward motion. Imagine running like this with your head back. You're not going to go far. When you watch fast runners, their head is all the way out in front. That doesn't mean I stick my head out there and then punch. That's another common problem. You guys will do this, you go, and then you'll forget to do your punches. It's like a game of tag. I want to tag him. How fast can I get to him on those tags? All right. Run through blitz, go practice.